Okay, hi guys.
Hi.
We're eating taba squishies.
Yeah.
I don't know why for my birthday, my parents, they literally got like 1,011.
I know. Like she used to have 3 before her birthday, and now she has 8. I'm gonna come and bring one.
Yeah, we have 4 taba squishies. When I opened it at my birthday party, like I didn't expect I would get 4. I didn't expect I would get 4.
She didn't expect to get 4, but she got 4.
Okay, let's open.
How do you open this? Oh, I got it.
Wait, what? What the heck? Yes. What the?
Oh my god.
Oh no! I see. Okay. It looks so pretty. If you guys want to see. Oh my god.
Guys.
Wait, if you guys can't see, it looks pretty.
Guys.
What does it feel like? Can you feel it? It feels so cute. Even though it
Feels so cute.
feels so cute. Crazy.
Oh my god. This feels
She's so cute. So cute.
so
Look at the pom-pom fell off.
The pom-poms. I don't know what these are for.
Okay, but we're talking about these. The taba squishy. Taba, stop.
I want the Oreo one.
Oh, you love it, okay? Be quiet. Okay.
Wow, this is actually so cool, bro.
I know. We're gonna open our other ones next, but we heard if we just keep it like this, it can get dry easily. So we keep it in the bag.
Yeah.
And I don't know, but there's hair on it.
I know this.
It looks like Maui's hair.
There's a lot of hair.
It looks like Maui's hair, but
Some
it
reason.
came like this. Max, it looks like Maui's hair, but
Yeah.
it just came like this.
Maui's hair was shorter.
Yeah.
This actually.
So perfect. This feels.
Like, I want to take this to school, and every time it's
Yeah, and then
stress,
every
I could just
and then
squish
every
it.
time like I'm mad at someone or like sad, I could just squish it whenever I want. It can cool me down, like. But
Cool me down.
Cool me down, please. Okay.
Should I go and get a nature berry and show it to the fans?
Oh yeah, show all of my new labubus. No, actually, just get all of my I'll pause it. Wait, what?
Yeah.
Okay,
So,
we have to put it back.
yeah. Wait.
I want
We
to
need
close-
more time to
Okay,
get the
okay.
labu. Now, fortunately, we got other labubus. So this is Maya's first ever labubu.
She's cute. Good job, This is my first labubu. I loved her so much. But then later on, I got her. Then I thought she was really cute. Like, she is cute. Like, look at her heart eyes. She's like, oh, what's that?
And then, like, maybe not a month later, maybe a month later, she got this. It didn't come with the clothes.
Yeah, it didn't come with the clothes. I just got it later on.
Yeah, she got the clothes before she got.
But she looks. She
got
now
the-
looks cute. As
She got the
has her-
clothes after she got the real labubu.
I'm kind of want to squish your lap. Tap squishy. Feels good.
I know. Where's yours?
There's
You
hair
put
all
it,
over
did you
me.
put it back?
Huh?
Did you put it back in the thing?
Yeah, it's right there. Feels good when you squish it in the bag. It just squishes and then go back. Okay, next. And then later on, after for a long time,
I know.
I
Yesterday. Look.
Don't you know how cute she is?
She literally got that like yesterday.
She's so cute. Look at her. Look at her tooth. Her tooth, so cool. And look at her eyes. Her eyes are so sparkly. Her ears, color. They're like different colors. And then even the toenails. Her toenails are so. And what other labubu is tie dye? And what other labubu has toenails? Like, that is so cute. What other labubu has that? And then, of course, my mom's favorite.
Today?
Yeah, today. Wait, what's her name again?
Loyalty.
Loyalty? Yeah. I don't really want loyalty, but my mom loves loyalty. That, I got it.
I got it that one.
But she's so...
It costs like...
Like, what happened to her head, though? It's not a lafufu, because it looks real. Right?
It's like her head though.
Yeah, her head looks real.
I can't believe you don't want it. I spent money for you
yeah,
and you
but-
don't want it.
I know, but Mom likes it.
So I got the present
What the
for Mom.
heck? Okay. She's soft, though. Like, the biggest energy is soft.
You're still keeping that.
Okay,
You're still
I'm keeping that, though. Okay, and next. I usually got this one for something.
What? No, this one
Oh,
is the
yeah,
next one you got.
Yeah, this
She
is
literally freaked out.
I freaked out because I wanted these two so bad. But isn't she cute? Like, if you go on a hike, you put her a little hat and a bag. She looks cute. Cover that Bounce face. Just kidding. But she looks cute. Look at her. If you just look at her for 1 minute, second, if you don't love labubus, you can stay focused on the taba squishies. We'll go on to the taba squishies when we're done with the labubus, but you just need to say how cute you are. If you're not a big fan, just
Okay, and
just skip this part and then just go to and so we're ready for the taba squishy. And then next, both my mom and my favorites, Cece. Like, look how cute she is. Her eyes is not even there, but she's so cute. You just can't say she's so ugly. Look at her. Okay.
next one I got.
The last one that I got, that it was really nice, and I wanted.
For over a month. Yeah, she actually like freaked out so hard. She freaked out like more than
She's soft,
whoever
though.
this is.
She's.
I know she's like, oh my god.
It's like
What-
so
what?
comfy. It's so. Oh my god. Okay.
no
Okay. Let's get back to the.
I think her
squishy
cake is almost done.
Okay.
Yeah, she's getting like this kind of cake that my mom's
sprinkle
making.
cake. Sprinkle cake, right?
Oh
yeah, sprinkle
it's we call it sprinkle cake, but it's actually called like funfetti
We call it sprinkle cake because there is cake.
because there's sprinkle in the cake.
But it didn't have frosting. I'm not really into frosting.
Yeah, she hates frosting for some reason.
It's not comfortable for me.
Not comfortable. I thought you were gonna open that one next.
I already opened that one.
Oh, you did. Oh, did she?
Yeah, I did.
Oh.
Go back in the video so you can see in your phone. I'm finished. But it does have a lot of hair. Look at that. That was
Look
funny.
at this.
So stretchy. It looks like a flower on the back. See, it looks like a. Look on the back, and it looks like a flower. Second,
Oh,
looks like a flower. If you guys can see,
I bet Cello's gonna freak out about how.
shake your booty,
Like-
booty, 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 boo.
I bet Cello's gonna like freak out that you got like 4 more labubus. She's gonna say, boo boo,
Ah, boo boo.
ah boo boo.
Get your body, please shake your booty, booty, booty.
She also just got like labubu clothes, so she can like put clothes on her labubus.
I know, like so
Like a
cool.
lychee berry.
Wait,
or
wait a minute.
loyalty.
Wait a minute. I think they both match. The colors match. I feel like the colors match. Comment down below which one matches. This or leave. Tell me this what that matches.
Oh my god.
What that matches.
So sorry.
Or with
Lychee berry.
or with the lychee berry
Yeah, lychee berry.
or
Lychee
loyalty.
You don't hate loyalty. You don't even want loyalty, and I bought it for you.
Okay.
I
Dude,
feel-
so stop talking about that right
I
now.
feel rejected.
Stop talking about. Okay,
I don't feel
or
good.
this one. Okay, comment. Please comment, please.
Comment that loyalty is the best one in Big Into Energy, other than the secret.
The secret is actually so hard to get. If you guys have the secret, comment down below. If you don't, it's okay. Just tell me if you have one of the all. Like, tell me if you have have one of mine or not. That's okay.
So yeah.
Yeah, and
I guess that's it for today's video.
yeah. But let's do ASMR challenge.
No, I think you one.
Okay, wait, not yet. Who do you want to go for first?
What do you mean?
Who want to go first, like for the ASMR challenge? Then they.
I don't know. Me?
Comments.
Me.
Okay, you go.
Okay.
Okay.
So I'm next. Can you hear that?
Sounds cool.
Yeah. Okay, Maya, your turn.
My turn, but I'm just gonna take. Wait, how about the other one?
No.
Okay, you don't want to do other one. I'm gonna do both. One. What? Welcome.
Okay.
We are back.
So guys, comment down below who won the ASMR challenge, please.
Yeah,
Okay, I'm gonna put your
it's
labubus.
me.
No, me. I'm gonna put your labubus in your bag.
Okay. See you guys. Bye. One second.
So much fun.
Wait, how about we squish it in the bag? See for the last ASMR challenge. Cause that's a part of the ASMR challenge.
You can do that.
Okay, I can do this, but I love them. They are so cute. Comment down below if you love them or if you haven't heard of them. That's okay. But tell me if you like these. Bye bye.